So I'm passionate about impacting the lives and inspiring the lives of students. So today I had the students do a reflection map. The goal of the reflection map is to get kids to conceptualize what it is that is at the core of their consciousness as it relates to their memories and their life experiences, be it positive and negative, with a particular emphasis on the negative, because when it comes to youth who've been through adverse experiences, usually it's their worst memories or their worst life experiences that creates that dramatic moment of impact that defines their choices and their decision making going forward. The first time was really about getting students to have a sense of empathy over their life experiences by using my own story and my adversity and talking about growing up in foster care and talking about the struggles that I have faced in coming from Chicago to eventually graduating from Harvard and Yale, puts empathy at the forefront of their subconscious, because what it does is it shows them that whatever they're going through is relative and comparable to what others have went through, and that they can be empowered or feel empowered to be able to do something about this situation and circumstances. So this really today was a follow-up about how they can then put a strategy behind the motivation or put a strategy behind the inspiration for what they can do moving forward. It's my hope that they're able to go back and think about what it is that happened to them in their life that was negative in some type of way or that impedes on their progress, so that they can then address it the way it needs to be addressed and to create an action plan that's proactive and constructive rather than destructive.
Like, you just gotta have the right mindset and be like courageous about it and go at it if you really want it. And he did that, and that shows me something. I'm just gonna remember back on this and just know that even if you're in a bad place, you can still get through it.